What's up everybody? Batanes day 2. So we just transferred accommodation and we're having breakfast here at Batan. And we are getting this uvad with soup. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. And this one is lunis. It's pork adobo fried. I don't know. But let's try to check it out.
A few moments later.
This is going to be our ride for today. And your first stop is Chawa View Deck. Yes! Lighthouse. So yesterday we went to a different lighthouse that's actually on the north. So we got one in the north and one in the south. There's gonna be a lot of walking still, but guys, look at the view. It's so stunning. Ay, sorry. And our next stop is Marlborough Country. Hello po. Look at this one. Mandatory 360 video. actually say about Marlboro Country?
It's so nice. So amazing.
It's like you're not in the Philippines.
Breathtaking.
Everything.
Everything. all the things.
Alright, so we are here at the very famous blow your horn sign. There. And our next stop is the Honesty Coffee Shop. So I'll let you know why it's called Honesty Coffee Shop.
Ay, mga Turbo Bells or nga na to. Magnet. 20 lah.
It's called Honesty Coffee Shop because you just need to get whatever you need, whatever you want to buy. The prices are actually indicated here. And you pay it yourself there, and you also get the change if you have any change. So that's called honesty. Honesty. Be honest. Cecille, ano na yan? We're hoarding of water.
It's always here.
So, okay. So see that? Please pay here. Here it's self-service. So you get to pay and get change if you have any change. So you can also buy souvenirs like this one is, I thought it's a sea grass when I heard it earlier. It's sea glass. So there. It's a glass that can be found in the sea. Sea glass. So they have earrings, they have keychains, key holders, bracelets.
And they also have.
They always have. Go try one on. That looks so good on you. So they have limited edition of Adidas cap with their brand. Not sponsored. So we're actually here in one of the oldest house in Batanes. It's called the House of Dakay. It was built around 1877. 1877?
I wasn't born yet.
No, that was your birth year. Let's check out what's inside.
Parang cake adi lang vlog.
Hello po. Ala, iiwan yung ano. The roof is actually made of kogon grass or leaves. So as what you can see, the one on the top is new. This one is quite old. The house is built of stone because Batanes has always been the best route for any typhoons and storm in the Philippines.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hello guys! So we just woke up. So we slept the entire afternoon after our tour this morning, and initially we were thinking about getting a bicycle because your Batanes trip won't be complete if you won't see the sunset at the lighthouse. And then we thought about walking it since we ate a lot, so and then it's just walking distance, they said. So let's see how this one goes. Hopefully it's true. So, let's see. There. We're already climbing. I love the energy. Ito na po si Manny Pacquiao. Girl version. Almost there. So if you want to go to Rolling Hills, it's a bit farther there. But this one is going to be the lighthouse. Finally here. And I love the lighting this time.
Golden hour.
Alright, so that's the first spot for the sunset. So we're actually here now, but the view for the sunset is not quite as promising as we thought it would be. It's a big cloud covering that sunset. So, oh my god, we're the Borlog's queen. You know, guys, the tour ended around 12 noon, and then we went home and we just slept the entire afternoon. That's it for today with Cecille. So if you guys like this video, give it a very big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notifications bell for you to be notified whenever I post new vlogs on my channel. See you in my next vlog. Bye!